Hello, and welcome back to Empower Your Mind. Have you ever felt nervous or confused when staying at a hotel in English? Maybe you didn't know how to book a room or ask about the facilities. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to learn 30 practical and basic English sentences that you can use at a hotel. These phrases are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. Here's how today's listening will work. You will listen 2 times. The first time, we'll play each sentence twice, once at normal speed and once at slow speed without script. Try to listen carefully and guess the meaning. The second time, we'll play each sentence twice, once at normal speed and once at slow speed with the script on screen. This way, you can improve both your listening and your understanding step by step. So get ready. Find a quiet place, focus your ears, and let's begin learning real English for real situations. Let's start.
I'd like to book a room, please. 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 Do you have any rooms available? 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 How much is a room for one night? 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 Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Can I see the room first? 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 I need a room for 2 people. 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 Do you have a room with a sea view? Do you have a room with a sea view? Do you have a room with a sea view? Do you have a room with a sea view? What time is check-in? What time is check-in? What time is check-in? What time is check-in? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Can I check in early? 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 Can I extend my stay? 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 Is there Wi-Fi in the room? 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 Do you have a swimming pool? 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 Is parking available? Is parking available? Is parking available? Is parking available? Can I pay by credit card? 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 Can I get extra towels, please? 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 The air conditioner isn't working. 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 Can you send someone to fix the heater? 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 Is there room service? Is there room service? Is there room service? Is there room service? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Where is the gym? Where is the gym? Where is the gym? Where is the gym? Is breakfast served in the restaurant? 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 Can I order dinner to my room? 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 Is the minibar included? Is the minibar included? Is the minibar included? Is the minibar included? Can I have a late checkout? 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 Can you help me with my luggage? 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 Is there a laundry service? 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 Where is the nearest taxi stand? 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 Can I get a receipt, please? 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 Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned 30 useful and practical English sentences for staying at a hotel. These phrases will help you book a room, ask questions, and feel more confident in real hotel situations. Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the more natural it will feel. Don't worry if you didn't understand everything the first time. Learning takes practice. Try to use some of these sentences next time you visit a hotel, or even when practicing with a friend. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to empower your mind for more useful English listening practice. Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson, and enjoy your stay.